Thank you, sir. So, as you mentioned in your opening remarks itself, that having a branch change was difficult 40 years back, and it still is in most of the IITs. So, what do you suggest? How can we choose a branch that interests us, or because it's quite important for our future scopes in career, and it's like the setting stone of how our career path will follow. So, how do we study different branches or different departments per se?
So 40 years ago, it wasn't difficult. Going from computer science to maths was trivial. I mean, nobody wanted to leave computer science. I said the problem that I faced was that, I go to this office and the clerk looks at the branch change form and he says, "Are you stupid?" And he says, "Have you talked to your parents? Have you talked to a faculty member? I'm not accepting this form unless you have talked to a few faculty members." Right? I mean, he had no business saying that. Right? He should have just accepted my form. But it's okay. I mean, I think I've enjoyed my life after that. So there is no regrets. In general, in general, going from a more popular branch to less popular branch is not a problem. Okay? It is really to go from a less popular branch to more popular branch, which is a problem. And I can just hope that IITs, at least at this time, when we haven't been able to do a proper counseling and so on, in this year, students should be treated specially differently and allowed branch change more liberally. Okay. But yes, the student cannot depend on the generosity of IIT, right? Whether they will really change the rules for them or not. So one has to be very careful in taking that decision. Now, I think talking to students and talking to people in industry is really the only way to understand what goes on in a branch, okay? And whether you will like that or not. Whether you will like that or not is still a difficult question, but I think if in your family, if in your neighborhood, there is a mechanical engineer, talk to them. Talk to them about their 4 years, talk to them after, what kind of job they're doing, what are the constraints they find, what do they like about their job, and so on. Similarly, at the student level, if you can meet students of that particular IIT which you are considering, ask them whether they are enjoying courses, they are enjoying life, etc., etc. Right? So gather as much information as possible. And sometime when you talk about these things, there will be some aspects where you will say, "No, I don't want to do this." Right? I mean, for example, there may be a particular branch where people may say, "Hey, you have to be on the shop floor for the first 5 years of your career," right? And you may say, "Look, I can't be on the shop floor even 5 days, forget 5 years." And that's a good enough reason to reject that branch. I mean, see, as I have said earlier, all branches are good. All branches will give you a life which is pretty decent, right? And therefore, if for whatever reason you want to reject something, it's perfectly fine. See, think about it this way. What are IITs doing by taking a JEE exam? They're not selecting you, they're rejecting you. They're only finding people to reject. So you also should just do that. You should find ways to reject branches so that you have a smaller set to select from, right? So you may say, "I don't want to go to 1,000 kilometers away. So all IITs which are 1,000 kilometers away are rejected. Or I only want to go to IITs which are 1,000 kilometers away so that my parents can't drop by." Right? I mean, you can be arbitrary about these things, right? So what do you like? That's okay, and so basically, what do you like? If there is something, well and good. Otherwise, talk to people in different industry, people with different backgrounds. If you have 5 branches that you think you might be interested in, talk to 5 engineers and 5 students. That will give you some idea, not a whole lot of idea. If you have more people to talk to more people, right? But ask the right questions. And the right question is not how much money you make. The right question is, tell me about your job, tell me about your career, what do you do? Do you enjoy life? Is there a is there a balance between your work and family? Those are the questions. Are you going to be happy? I mean, eventually we make money to be happy, right? So ask the right kind of questions.